TxStream is a subscription service from MagicBox that provides up-to-date news and weather forecast information directly into an overlay region in your signage project. Up to 5 different TxStream fields can be defined, and they include any combination of world, national, entertainment, business, financial, or sports news, as well as local weather forecast data or stock feeds. These fields can then be directed into any enabled overlay region within your Aavelin Composer project. So, to begin, click on the Setup button from Composer's main screen, click on the Sites tab, and double-click on the site in this list that's going to be receiving the subscription data. Finally, click on the TxStream Data Service tab, and please note that this site must have a valid TxStream subscription or no data will be displayed. So, select the first entry and click on the Modify button. If you select News, Financial, Sports, or Stock Feeds and click on the OK button, they're all going to lead to a similar looking panel. In this panel there are fields for a prefix label. This is text that will be shown prior to the actual news data, and a fallback message that will be displayed if your system is unable to connect to the MagicBox TxStream server after your news items have expired. If you've selected the news option, as we did in this example here, you can select which subcategories of the headline news primary category that you wish to display. If you select the stock option, it's automatically going to display the stock tickers that were set up through the MagicBox sales department when the subscription was purchased. If we select item 2 and click Modify and select NOAA Weather and click on the OK button, a dialog comes up that allows you to select your geographic specifics, along with, again, the similar fields for prefix label and fallback message down at the bottom. When a NOAA weather forecast data subscription package is purchased from MagicBox, you'll receive a detailed email message from our support department that explains exactly how you need to populate all of the fields in this dialog here. Once the TxStream Data Service panel is configured to receive the feeds that you want to display, simply OK your way back through all of these panels, open up the project that you want to insert this subscription data feed into, click on the Project Properties button, go to the Overlay Region tab, and select the region where we want this to be displayed. We'll put this in T1. It's already turned on and enabled and has some other content in here. We're just going to click on the Add button to place another content item in this region. Select the TxStream Data Service option down at the very bottom of the Type box here, and select the TxStream item that you configured under Setup. Number 1 was a national news feed. Number 2 was our weather forecast. So we're going to elect to show our national news feed right here. And then we just click on OK. And now that national news feed will show as the 5th item in this region. And then we can add our weather forecast after that, so on and so forth. These can also be scheduled just like every other region item content.